Welcome to the First Use Refrigerator. This is a quick start guide for your refrigerator.
Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, locate your model and serial number on the refrigerator. This is how you'll pull up information on your specific unit. After water line hookup, but before using water dispenser for drinking, run 3 large pitchers of water through the water dispenser to clean out the system. Turning the ice maker on-off. The on-off switch can only be accessed when the ice storage bin has been removed. To remove the ice storage bin, press down the release lever and tilt the bucket outward, then lift up and out. The switch is located on the freezer door on the left side of the wall that surrounds the ice storage bin. To turn on the ice maker, flip the control switch to the on position. Allow 24 hours to produce the first batch of ice. Discard the first 3 batches of ice produced. The air filter housing is located in the upper part of the refrigerator compartment. When installing an air filter for the first time, the foam located inside the housing compartment is not to be removed. To activate the new status indicator, place it face down on a firm flat surface. Apply pressure to the bubble on the back until it pops. Slide the indicator into the notches located in the lower left corner. Snap the new air filter into place and close the vented door. It is recommended to change the water filter every 6 months, or when water filter indicator shows to change, or when the consumer sees reduced water pressure at dispenser. The 2 most common water filters are filter 1 and filter 2. For filter 1, locate your water filter cover in the upper right-hand corner inside your refrigerator or in the base grill. Lift the filter door up. Pull the filter out and discard it. When inserting the new filter into the slot, make sure the arrow is pointing upward. Do not force the water filter. Push the filter door closed so it snaps into place. For filter 2, locate your water filter cover in the upper right-hand corner inside the refrigerator. Push to open and allow filter door to drop down. Pull the filter so it's angled down. Turn it to the left and pull. When inserting the new filter into the filter slot, make sure the arrow is pointing upward. As you push in, the filter will begin to rotate. Turn the filter to the right until it locks. Push the filter door closed so it snaps into place. The doors are designed to be slightly different heights when the refrigerator is empty, in order to account for weight of food that will be placed on the doors. If doors are uneven after food has been placed inside, locate the alignment screw on the bottom hinge of the refrigerator door. Use an open-ended or adjustable wrench to loosen the hex nut, which will allow the alignment screw to turn. Turn the screw to the right to raise the refrigerator door, or turn it to the left to lower the door. In order to ensure proper temperature, you need to allow room for proper airflow between the freezer and refrigerator compartments. Cool air enters and exits the refrigerator compartment from the freezer compartment through vents. Depending on your model, these vents are in different locations. Locate the vents in both the freezer and refrigerator compartments and ensure that there is nothing blocking the airflow. You can control the amount of humidity in the moisture-sealed crisper. To low, move control to the far left-hand side to allow the moisture air out of the crisper for storage of fruits and vegetables with skins. Moving the control to the far right or to the high side is to keep moist air in the crisper for storage of fresh leafy vegetables. Thank you for watching this video. For any questions or service issues, please visit the brand website for service and support.